Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna cook corned beef and spaghetti with white rice, guys. Watch your badness in our kitchen. Corned beef and spaghetti with white rice, guys. Watch your badness. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna light up the stove, wash my rice and put on and make a sew go on. You understand me how I so guys, watch your badness in our kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on in our kitchen, light up the stove. You understand me how I'm gonna put some salt. Guys, I'll be about this in our kitchen. And guys, I'm going to put a little bit of oil in my rice pot, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to make the water go and boil. And so I go on in our kitchen, guys. I'll be about this. So stay tuned and watch what I go on in our kitchen. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so the rice pot, water hot already. What am I going to do? I'm going to light up the next side of the stove to boil my spaghetti. Yeah guys, I don't know about this in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so the spaghetti I go boil in that nice small pot, you understand me? Yeah. Guys, just watch about this in our kitchen. When I come to Nicholas' kitchen, I'll be about this. You don't know a thing go. Be about this, guys. Corned beef with spaghetti and white rice, guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wash my rice and put in a pot, you know, you understand me? I lead. See him over there, so yeah, so I'm gonna wash my rice and put in the kind of sewer and guys, I'll be about this in our kitchen, you know. Yeah guys, so the rice. Corned beef and spaghetti, guys, with rice. Be about this. Yeah guys, so spaghetti pot now start boil up yet. Soon as we start boil up, I broke up some spaghetti, put in a pot to go and boil. I don't know about this, but guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I go put some spaghetti to boil. You understand all these? As you can see over here, so water starts to boil, guys. So I go broke up some spaghetti, straight in the pot, we're gonna see what I want. Guys, I broke my spaghetti them very small too. Yeah. Corned beef and spaghetti and rice. Yeah guys, so don't know about this going in the kitchen now. I go put a little more. It's a big corned beef, me have you understand now this, so I have to do the thing from a level so you know say yeah. Yeah guys, so I make this one boil. What am I gonna do? I go wash a bag and put over my rice. You understand now the yeah. Wash one bag, put over my rice, guys. Guys, that one a bad. Sell off, I go sell off and I like it, you know. Be about this. Yeah guys, make my rice go and steam out. Don't know the badness. Be about this guys. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a spaghetti and corned beef and rice. Guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, so the spaghetti then cook now. You understand what I mean? Yeah, spaghetti then cook. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lock off the stove, strain off the water, and make us see what go on in our kitchen guys, yeah. Stay tuned for the finishing look of my corned beef and spaghetti with rice. Guys, I'll be about this. So I'm going to do now, I lock off the stove, fry up some season, scallion and thyme. You understand? Scallion and onion, you have the time. Scallion and onion guys. I don't have no pepper, I go to the supermarket because I know pepper, so I'm going to use what I have. You understand all this? So watch about this in the kitchen guys. Guys, I don't know about this guy, you know. Make my oil go on hot. Soon come back. Guys, one big cow guys. Leave that. One big cow with a pot of rice. Guys, what you are going in there? Rice are going steam out guys, I don't know the badness. So now go to now the spaghetti guys. guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. We soon come back, guys. I'm gonna put some black pepper. Yeah, I'm gonna put some black pepper, guys. Some black pepper. Guys, be a badness. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna wear something you can't do. Stay tuned to the finishing look, guys. You don't know the badness stuff. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. I'll be about this in our kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so just stay tuned for the finishing look on the corned beef and spaghetti and rice, guys. Be about this. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look on the corned beef and spaghetti and rice, guys. You don't know the badness, so I'm out.